Assalamualaikum guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make Fettuccine Alfredo with Malai Boti. You will definitely enjoy this recipe. Ingredients for Malai Boti: yogurt, cream, 1.5 chicken thigh cut into cubes, chili flakes, black pepper and white pepper, garlic paste, crushed green chilies, salt, crushed cumin seeds, and vinegar. In a bowl, add the chicken, the yogurt, cream, salt, chili flakes, black pepper and white pepper, cumin seeds crushed, garlic paste, and green chilies. Now you will add the vinegar, mix it well with the help of your hands. Cover with plastic wrap and let it marinate for at least 1 hour before cooking. For the pasta part of the recipe, you will need fettuccine noodles. I use 2 boxes, a mixture of heavy cream and milk, the mixture of Malai Boti we prepared earlier. For spices, you will need chili flakes and black pepper, dried oregano and salt, crushed garlic, butter, and Parmesan cheese. We will take a pot and add some water to it. To that, we will add salt and oil, and then we will add the pasta once the water starts boiling. We will cook the pasta until it's ready. Once the pasta is ready, you can go ahead and drain it. Now to the wok, we will add around 2 tablespoons of oil. To that, we will add the marinated chicken and we will fry it until it is well done. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notified for whenever I post new videos. Once the chicken is done, it will look something like this, so go ahead and take it out in a bowl and set that aside. Okay guys, don't wash the pan. To the same pan we will add around 5 tablespoons of butter and melt that, and to that we will add the garlic and saute it well until it's fragrant. Once fragrant, we will add the milk and cream mixture. And stir it well. Scrape down the sides, and now we will add the black pepper and chili flakes, the salt and oregano, and let that come to a simmer, and then we will add the Parmesan cheese. Now add the Parmesan cheese and let it come to a single boil. Sorry guys about the lighting change, it went darker. So to this we will add the chicken we had cooked up. Now we will add the boiled fettuccine noodles we had boiled earlier. Go ahead and combine well so the sauce can coat all the pasta. Sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese and cover it with a lid to give it some steam. Now our pasta is ready to eat, so go ahead and dish it out and now we can enjoy it. Here I added some extra sauce for my dad. Go ahead and enjoy it. Bon appetit!